Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. I know it's been some time, inshallah. We're back in Surat al-Baqarah, beginning with ayah number 266. 266. As a disclaimer, these are beginning lessons just to help starters and beginners on how to read the basics of the Quran for actual perfection and making sure that you read up to standard. I highly recommend that you find a teacher and a qari and a scholar that you can sit with and you can recite to them to make sure that you don't have any mistakes. But for now and for starters, inshallah, let's help you Bismillah, learn the basics of how to read. So here we go. Bismillah, we are here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ayawaddu. Ayawaddu. Ayawaddu ahadukum. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Shadd on the dal. Ayawaddu ahadukum. An takuna. Now, an here has a sukun, nun sakina, followed by a ta. So, ayawaddu ahadukum an takuna. An takuna lahu jannatun. So, nun with a shadda, that's gunna, holding it and slightly nasal vibration. Jannatun min nakhilin. So this tun mixes with the meme. This is called idgham. Jannatun. So jannatun. There's actually no extension on the nun. Jannatun. Then tun becomes tum, mixing with the meme, idgham. Jannatun min, and then this noon also does idgham and mixes with this noon. Min nakhilin. With the kha, you have a ya, so it slightly extends it. Min nakhilin wa a'nabin. Okay, wa a'nabin. This is a tanween followed by a ta, just like we had a noon here, followed by ta. Some mushafs, they have this colored so you can see it. It makes one lazy and too reliant on it. However, that could also help you, inshallah. So, وَأَعْنَابٍ تَجْرِي. So the tajri here, this is a jim. That's a letter of qalqala as well. Tajri min again as nun sakina followed by ta. So min tahtiha hal, because this ha, this is going to drop. The hamzatul wasl drops there, goes straight to the lam here with a sukun. So becomes tahti hal, and then the hamza is right here. تحتها الأنهار, with the ha extended slightly. تحتها الأنهار له. Okay, pretty straightforward. له فيها. So له, slight longing there on the ha. له فيها. Fi is slightly extended because of the ya. So not fiha, but fiha min kulli. Nun sakina followed by kaf. Have ta and ka. Kaf. Ta and kaf are two letters that make it ikhfa. So again, continuing on. Min kulli. Let's go to the next. Min kulli thamarati. Notice here, min kulli, from the kulli. How do we mix this? Do we read kullil thamarati Or do we read min kulli thamarati? If you said min kulli thamarati, that is correct, because this is called huruf shamsiyya. Huruf that you don't read the alif lam but go straight with the sound of the letter that it is has the shadd on it. In this case, being the tha. Okay, so min kulli thamarati wa asabahu this now ha with the dhamma, asabahul, this drops, goes straight to the lam. Asabahul kibaru, right? You see that? The ha here, the hamzatul wasl drops, goes straight to the lam, but the lam here has a sukun, so all it's going to make is like an L sound in English. So asabahul, asabahul kibaru, walahu dhurriyatun. So dhurriyatun. Okay, and then the tun here has tanween followed by the letter ba, and this also is ikhfa as well. So dhurriyatun du'afa'u. So tun dhurriyatun du'afa'u. This is a mad extending the fa. So du'afa'u فأصابها. When I say فأصابها, I'm emphasizing just for reading. If you're reciting فأصابها, okay, just to make sure everybody's clear on that. فأصابها, okay, فأصابها إعصار. فأصابها إعصار فيه. Now, إعصار again, this is not deep tajweed. I'm sorry, I do keep bringing up the ikhfa. It's one of the easier ones. You have tanween followed by fa. Okay, so far in this lesson we've had ta, kaf, now fa. It's also ikhfa. إعصار فيه. نار فيه نار. We have fa again after tanween. Tanween fa. So what does it become? Ikhfa. نار فاحترقت. This drops, so goes straight to the ha, which has a sukun. So it makes the فاحترقت, because this drops. فاحترقت. Okay, continuing on. Many of you keep asking what I'm reading from. This is iOS on Apple. This is Quran. I forget exact. I'm so sorry. I forget the name. Quran. It's I forget the name. Inshallah, I'll post it. Okay, so continuing on. كذلك, extending the that. كذلك. يبين الله. يبين. This is a ya, kasra with the shadda. يبين. Lafzul jalala, the name of Allah. So this drops, that drops, goes straight to the lam. يبين الله. Also the lafzul jalala, the divine name, is read as يبين الله, not anything else. So يبين الله لكم. This drops, goes to the lam again. Sukun, what does that become? لكم الآيات. آياتي لعلكم تتفكرون. لعلهم تتفكرون. All right, inshallah, we will stop there. وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.